Good morning. It is August the 17th, 2017. Time to kick off another trading day with our disclaimer. Hypothetical simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact of any of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Well, we're in a trading range. We've got a lot of news today that can shake and move the markets. The overnight news was limited. Great Britain's retail sales were higher, and that was about it. So today we have jobless claims, 240. Philly Fed, 19. Industrial production, plus 0.3. Manufacturing, plus 0.2. Capacity utilization, 76.7. E-commerce retail sales previously plus 4.1. Don't know what it is. LEI plus 0.3, and nat gas inventories plus 47. The focus, industrial production, and probably Philly Fed. That'd be number one. Maybe Philly Fed coming in early in the day. My guess is Philly Fed could come in higher than forecast. Industrial production, don't know. Don't have a feel for that. What's going on in the automobile sector? Manufacturing, industrial production can come in. You got the oil industry, pipes, casing, that kind of manufacturing on an upswing. You've got automobiles on a downswing. They'll probably wash. Capacity utilization is probably about where it is. So right now we're in a trading range. We've got pretty good support down here, 4 to 8, and we got pretty good resistance, 16 to 20. We've got a B right here. We've got a B right here. So far we haven't busted lower, so we're going to play for a 5-9 buy 1. Everything is pointed lower. Resistance is held for the last 3 days. And 29.01 for buy 2. I'd like to sell 15s to 19s. The break in the market is 13.5, so it might take a 13 to get off a short, and then 23.27 for sell 2. So we'll put a question mark at 13. Just have to see how it goes, and we do have news on the half hour. Looking at the 30-year. $24.28, number 1. Sell 31s to 03s, sell 1. 7 to 11, sell 2. Buy side, 16 to 20s, number 1. Buy 9 to 13. And 1 to 5. Resistance is held for 2 days. Looks like Globex might have held, so got a pretty good chance of, if the selling takes off based on this morning's news, getting back down to the buck. Looking at gold. Still haven't gotten above 1300, so our first sell is 94.96. 99 to 01 for sell 2. On the buy side, 88 to 90, buy 1. And 84.86, buy 2. Euro got hammered. ECB was to make an announcement this morning. I haven't seen what it is. Usually the commentary is at 7:30 Central, 8:30 Eastern. So the market didn't like what Draghi hinted at saying or actually did say. Last night in Globex we thought 118 even would be a pretty good sell. And that turned out to be the case. It got a little bit higher than that. We've already traded a full point from 118 plus to 117 minus. So Draghi picks up the mic on the half hour. So 25 to 35, sell 1. 50 to 60, sell 2. On the buy side, 1690, 117 even, buy 1. And then probably about over 1675 by 2. Draghi's capable of moving the market 2 points plus, so okay, crude, when it gets slammed, usually pauses the next day. Looks like we're headed for 45 on crude. Heavy, we were hoping to sell 47s. Didn't quite make it. This K period high held. So 46.75, 47, sell 1. 47 and a quarter, 47.50, sell 2. On the buy side, 46.50, 46 and a quarter, buy 1. 45.75, 46, buy 2. Want to be sellers and see if we can take out the Globex low. If we can't, we can rethink our E-minis in a trading range. Only China's market was up overnight. Every other market is off a little bit, not a lot. The selling is being blamed on the low inflation forecast by the Fed, FOMC. I don't see how that takes stock prices down, but we are in a trading range with a seller at 75. And the buyer, we got a pretty clean breakdown here at 55, so maybe 50 to 55 is support. This area right down in here. That's London low right there, was 24.50, and the market traded up. So the sell zone would be 69 to 74. We'll have to see how the market acts at 65, 67, sell 1. 69.71, sell 2. It's pretty aggressive. On the buy side, 55.57, buy 1. 50.52, buy 2. And we'll put a question mark at 60. I look at that and just see a trading range. Peace has broken out in the Far East for at least a couple of days. And that'll do it. I'll be back with you as soon as possible.